I left it right. Don't clear it. So, rock, paper, scissors. Oh, wait, sorry. Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to your shirt. It's like red.
Thanks, and worse.
Wait, what happened?
It's supreme.
But no, that's just a just like that's a blob. That's the rectangle.
Have you seen my eye?
You're bleeding. Just kidding.
My
Okay.
computer shut down.
We'll be right back. Do you love food?
Rock, paper, scissors.
For what?
Sorry for that.
Rock, paper, scissors. Wait, I should.
Wait, sorry for that. Rock, paper. No, in real life.
Oh.
Sorry for that quick pause there.
It
It actually took 5 minutes for real life.
Her PC died.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
No, I don't. Okay, fine. Noob. You have to go first. But actually, no. I have to ask you first.
Okay, so if you have, you stay. If you haven't, you go up.
So wait, this is the first block, the one that's not on the colors. Okay. I want to ask something. Wait, if you have, you're losing. If you haven't,
No, if you haven't, if you, it's okay. If you did it, stay. If you haven't, go up.
But which one is winning? The one you
If you haven't.
Oh, okay. Hot noob.
I know you know me very well, so I'm kind of scared.
Okay. So, are you gonna fix that block or not?
No, just hurry up and ask the freaking question.
Okay, wait. Okay, stop. Never have I ever. Because the last time we both did though. Never have I ever.
We did watch that together.
Yeah, never have I ever been picky.
Never have I ever. No, like pink.
Really? Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, will you try to go up? You trying to go up here? No. No, my friend. Where's
We're weird.
are you okay?
Hurry up.
Okay, never have I ever. I'm thinking. Never have I ever, bless you, or that was a cough, never mind. Never have I ever.
Coffee.
Never have I ever.
Never have I
Like the color black. Served you right.
Never have I ever have a birthday in April.
Never have I ever had a birthday in July.
Never have I ever had about 6 siblings.
Never have I ever been cancer. Been like the birthday
I've never
month.
been Cancer.
No,
Never
like
have I ever been Aries.
okay. Never have I ever like dress up as pandas or have a character like pandas. And yes, you have dressed up a panda.
Never have I ever like unicorns.
Never have I ever wear Adidas shoes mostly like every day.
Never have I ever have a sister named Eileen.
Never have I ever have a sister named Sophia. Hey, I saw you cheat. Go back over there.
No, wait, go back. You can't ask that question no more.
Okay, fine. Never have I ever. Wait. Let me think about this one. This is the pressure right here. Pressure.
Oh, shit.
Never have I ever. Couldn't go to Japan because my dad wanted to go by himself.
He didn't want it to go by himself.
No, because you know what I mean.
He didn't want to go by himself. My dad's from family, so
we both won.
We both won. Now, can we get food? I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'll go for it right now. Okay, wait. Remember, guys, stay sweet.
No, don't say sour.
Give me my cookies. My cookies. Nom, 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 nom.